multi-fuel, deuce and a half, and 5-ton, I guess, lift pump. This bad boy. You got intake screens on the bottom and the sides. Sits on the bottom of the tank. Pumps right here. Here's your power lines. Here's the fuel line going up to the connection to the rest of the truck. This came with my new to me multi-fuel Whistler. The owner says that, well, the owner knows it stopped running. He was pretty sure the pump went bad in the truck 6 or 7 or 8 years ago. That's one of the reasons I got the truck at the price I did. Thank you again, Clint. Before I go putting this in, I want to test it because the job isn't that tough. There's just these Phillips heads, and it's made to come out under the bed of the truck, and you can do this. Once you undo these two things here and the plug, and then all the Phillips heads. It's easy to do, but that's a lot of little bitty screws to do for a pump that's no good, so I want to test it. So I was looking on the technical manuals. I also went to my truck and put a power probe. This lead is the positive. This one's the negative. There's a third post in there that's just a locator for the pin so you can't hook it up backwards. And I have my 24-volt power supply, 28.9 volts. Go 28.8. It's running. You can hear it running. So this pump's good. I don't want to run it dry too long. This one's good to go. Again, this lead is the positive. This one's the negative. The middle post is just a locator for the plug. Positive, negative. And yes, make sure you have a good gasket. And one trouble with these is this hose. Someone's already put a wrong clamp on here. I'm not sure. This hose is moving around. Look at that. It's moving around right there. I am probably going to find a fuel safe hose and put it on here, a new one, because yeah, that's not going to get much fuel out of it. It's going to leak some. And this thing will probably swell up and die inside the tank. Yeah, I'll be switching that out. And actual tight clamps on here. So yeah, just multi-fuel, in-tank fuel lift pump, and things to look out for.